Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here in Cardiff. You join me in this 2005 Ford Focus C-Max where we've just fitted this KENWOOD DMX5023DABS. Now this model has wired Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So this means that now the customer can use things like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze and so much more off their phone. Come out of here. Some more features of this radio includes digital radio. Now this car didn't have digital radio before, so we've now added this to it. So again, another great feature for the customer. Just see some of the channels we've put on for the customer by there. Just come out of there. Some more features of this radio include USB mirroring for Androids. Also has Bluetooth audio and phone calls as well. Also obviously a USB input which you can use either a USB stick or your phones. We've also kept the OEM steering wheel controls working as well. Now this model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your vehicle, please get in touch.